Best deals. You can create your own unique frozen treats using juices, purees, yogurt, gelatin, fruit, ice cream, pudding, jams and jellies. Molds are dishwasher safe and reusable. Ice trays for freezer is designed with an innovative release design, which makes it easier to release, made of food-grade material, ensuring safety and reliability without any BPA content, even in high and low temperature environments. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Ice ball mold. Smart design of our mold makes filling and cleaning a breeze. Just pour water into the hole, freeze, and open up to get your perfect ice balls. Keep a perfect sphere. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Ice cube tray. The clever 2-layer design allows for an efficient ice making process, with each layer storing ice cubes to keep them organized and easy to access. This also makes it easy to create more ice without taking up extra space, made from high-quality, BPA-free PET, PP, and ABS materials. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Ice cube maker mold. Space-saving size is ideal for outdoor and indoor use. You can go camping or have a picnic and have a cold drink, which can add a lot of fun to your camping or outing. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Ice tray. Simply fill it as you would a water bottle and put it in the freezer with no messy spills. Take the ice tray for freezer out, pull the straps to pop, and serve perfectly shaped ice cubes. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ice cube trays. The cylinder shape of each compartment ensures ice cubes release quickly and easily from the mold after freezing. Made of food-grade silicone, is bendable and will not break or crack easily. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Ice cube tray. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, flexible and elastic, high and low temperature resistant. Soft silicone is easy to clean, machine washable, very convenient to use and wash. Have adopted a hollow design in the middle of the ice cube, which takes up less space in the cup. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cylinder sticks. Made of PP material, which could be used for a long time without being broken because it is long-lasting. Main used to make ice sticks for drinks and water bottles. It's durable and sturdy. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Kulfi molds. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats such as juice, yogurt with fruit and anything you like. Molds are designed to make drip-free ice creams. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Ice cube tray. Fill the silicone ice tray's ice cube mold with water, close the lid, and slide the tray into the freezer. In addition to water, you can fill the ice cubes reusable with fruit, ice cream, soda, can simply put them in the dishwasher after use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Ice trays. Made of food-grade premium silicone and PP material, which are BPA-free and safe. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ice cube maker. The tray can be easily stacked in the ice box. The cover can maintain the food flavor and prevent the ice from absorbing the smell of the refrigerator. Made of safe material, very durable. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cup ice cube. Create 4 of your own special shot glasses to go with your favorite drink or spirit. Try chocolate, jello and other fun items to make delicious edible shooters. Just fill with water or juice, then place in freezer. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Ice cube mold. Unique silicone bottom helps to easily pop out single ice cubes with just the press of thumb. Feet allow air circulation for faster freezing. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Popsicle mold. Made of non-stick material, which makes the mold easy to clean and safe for the dishwasher. Multiple slots enable the creation of a variety of frozen treats such as kulfi, popsicles, and other custom desserts. Equipped with handles for a comfortable grip and easy maneuvering while enjoying homemade ice creams or popsicles. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Round ice cube trays. Features an innovative design where filling one cavity automatically fills all 7, making the process quick and effortless. No need to individually fill each section. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bare silicone mold. Simply fill the gummy molds with liquid using a dropper, then wait a few minutes to get cute gummies. You can easily take candy out of the candy molds and release it with your fingers without any residue. It takes a few seconds for you to get a complete candy. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Ghee diya making mold. Made with silicone. It can be used long-lasting with perfect finish and durability, no effect with high or low temperature. Mold best for professional and personal users. Durable and strong, very flexible and durable. The finished product is very shiny, scratch-free, smooth like mirror surface effect. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Ice cream maker. Feature an innovative stackable design that saves storage space in the freezer. Minimize leaks with the included lid and keep other freezer odors out of your fun-flavored ice pops with our silicone ice cream mold. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Ice cream molds. Made of best quality food-safe polypropylene plastic that is BPA-free. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Football-shaped ice mold. Made of food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and reliability without any BPA content, even in high and low temperature environments. With their size and density, they provide a long-lasting, refreshing drink without dilution. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Ice cube trays. Can also use these molds to freeze food in perfect portions, great for soup broth or sauce servings, recipes, baby food storage, meal prep, and portion-controlled meals. Made of flexible food-grade silicone, simply push up the bottom of the tray for easy release ice cube. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Ice cube tray. All components integrally stackable, easy classification without sticking problem, improved space utilization in your freezer. The ice cube tray has a beautiful design with a transparent lid that prevents the taste from mixing in the fridge. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Ice cream mold. Being non-toxic and flavorless, they ensure that your homemade treats remain free from any harmful substances, guaranteeing peace of mind. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Ice cube tray. Comes with a lid, ice bin, and tongs to keep your ice cubes fresh, hygienic, and easy to serve. The ice bin doubles as storage for freshly made cubes. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Ice pop makers. Made of high-quality plastic and BPA-free and safe for making ice creams. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Ice cube trays. Unique bumping seals ensure that your whiskey ice are formed perfectly round. Balanced design at the bottom prevents leaning for the best possible user experience. Product link is given in the 26th link.